Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. If your Windows webcam is not working or camera is not working on your Windows, in today's video we are going to fix that issue. So let's just dive right into the video and start with it. So what we can do is we may head over to our device manager and update the driver. Usually it may not be working due to driver issues, so you can go to the search for device manager and open it up. And once you open it up, your device manager appears like this on your screen. Expand this for now. And you can just head over and find this option called camera and look out for the camera. If your camera is not available here, go to the view option at the top. And from here, you can just go over and click on this option right here that says show hidden devices and refresh it, and that should show you your devices right here on your screen. Or you can look out for imaging devices if there is any option available if you do not find camera. And apart from that, if you do not find it, you can go to view and you can go ahead and select the option for scanning for hardware. You can go to action for that and go ahead and select this option for scan for hardware changes and wait for it to be completed. And there we go. And look out for camera here. Right click on it and go ahead and click on update driver. From here, just go over and search automatically for drivers first of all and see if the best drivers have been installed. If already done, you can close this up, head over to camera again, right click on it, go to update driver. From there, select this option, browse my computer for drivers. From there, just go ahead and select this option, let me pick from available list of drivers. And they can just go ahead and select the driver that you would like to install, click on next, and you can just go ahead and install the drivers. And there we go. So this is the method you can follow up. But if your camera is not showing here, what you can do is you can go to action for that. And this time you can add legacy hardware. So select this option right here and you can click on next. Welcome to add hardware. Click on next and you can select this option first of all, which is recommended. Search and install the hardware automatically. Click on next. And you can just go ahead and see that and click on next and confirm it. You can select the option for camera and select next and look out if there is any available and go ahead and install it. If not this, you can go to action and select the option for add legacy hardware again. And this time you can select the option for the second one, which is install the hardware that manually select from a list. Click on next and then you can just go ahead and select the camera and click on next and follow up the process and complete up this process right here and install the hardware on your device. And that's it. Once you select the manufacturer and everything, the camera should be installed for you and that should probably work for you. So that's it for now. Try these methods out and let us know if this works. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.